Hey everyone, Mr. Gray3IS here, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, it is actually going to be my first mod for the Tesla. Of course, I couldn't leave this completely stock. I always got to do that OEM plus stuff. Take a moment to look at how good that color looks in the sun. I love this quick silver. I've been truly enjoying this car. Still have my temporary tags on there, waiting for my new tags to come in. I still have the Lexus. It's in my garage, of course. But this is my daily, so I gotta make it a little bit more dailyable. So today's video is sponsored by Lasfit. Now, if you guys don't know, Lasfit has so many great things for our cars. I have all of their LEDs in my Lexus. I have their floor liners in my girlfriend's car, and now I'm about to have their amazing floor liners in my Tesla. They have rubber all-weather floor liners. They fit amazing all the way up to the edge. They cover so well. They're super easy to clean, and I know this from experience because I've cleaned my girlfriend's multiple times, and it is a breeze. Per usual, you can use code GRAY3IS to save 20% off your Lasfit order. Anything from their website, floor liners, bed liners for your trucks, interior lights, air pumps, everything. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your car from your boring carpeted floor mats to some nice all-weather rubber floor liners. Now, opening the package up, we have all the liners nicely wrapped up. We have all the liners here. We have a trunk liner, a frunk liner, front seats, and the whole back seat area. So let's go ahead and take out the front floor mat, pull this baby out, and Tesla's is just held on by Velcro. So grab this one out, and we'll take the new heavy duty, nice Lasfit one and throw it in. Tucks right into here, pushes flat, has grips where your feet are gonna go, and it conforms really nicely to all of these spots. Like so. Yeah, that's much better. Oh yeah, it covers all the way up there too. Super nice. And these even have these little arrows for a spot to slide right into there. Next up is the passenger side. Grab this dirt holding mat out of here. Take the beautiful new Lasfit one right here and throw her in. You just line it up, slide the top forward, push down, and make sure it all sits flat and flush up there. You can smooth out the sides. And of course, if any of your stuff gets folded during packaging, you can apply some heat or hold them the other way like this for a little bit, and they should go back to normal. Looking amazing, ready to protect the area from where my girlfriend will be sitting. Now for the rear, we're gonna take this big strip out and put the nice all-weather one in. Easy as that. Now we can start by putting these in sideways like so, and then we'll lay it flat along the whole carpet. And these have these little spikes on them, so they sit still on the carpet and they don't slide around at all. Super easy. It all lays very flat. It has great coverage all around. And now my rear floors are protected for my passengers. For the trunk, if we go ahead and open it up here, you can tell there is actually no lining in it right now. But this comes with not only the trunk liner for this entire carpeted area, but it comes with the trunk liner for this nice area underneath as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my front plate mount out of here real quick. We'll grab the inner trunk liner. We'll go ahead and slide this piece back for now. And this just drops right inside of here, like so. It even has the bit of a slope that the actual trunk down here itself has. And now I am fully protected down here if I want to put anything muddy or something. And then this is gonna go ahead and slide back into here. And when I want to get something from down here, boom, trunk liner. All right, now this big trunk liner is kind of big, so I laid it in half, put the back part in first. And as you can tell, it conforms up to the sides very nicely. It even has a fold right down the middle for when you want to lift this up. And you can go ahead and just put it all along the side, and it ends perfectly when this ends on both sides. And then even more perfect, it has this little gap here to slide the original leather tether through, which I can just aim right in there. And now I have a spot for the leather tether to grab, lift up to see the Lasfit mat underneath. And it has a perfect fold right in the middle. Slide it right back down, And now my trunk is protected all over. It is perfect. And like I said before, if there's any wrinkles, just give them a moment, put some stuff on top of them, let them sit for a little bit. They'll flatten out. I know this from my girlfriend's mats that I put in her car from Lasfit as well. We'll be all good. Feels good to be all protected. Not have to worry about damaging my carpet, because that carpet underneath is hard to replace, but mats are not. And now last but not least, if I open my frunk, which also, it kind of looks like it has a liner, but it's just the bare plastic, no liner like my trunk. There is this perfectly ridged Lasfit liner to fit the ridges on there, and this is gonna be satisfying. I can already tell. Oh my God, yep. That is great. Dang. Yeah, that's so perfect. They 3D scan it. It's fitting perfectly. Look at that. It even fits around the ridges of my front tow hook section right here. It's just, yeah, it's perfect. I figured it would be too. So I always appreciate Lasfit supporting me and sending me their products, because they are products that I want to accept because I know they're going to be great. My car is fully protected by Lasfit. They never fail to impress me with their products, whether it's lights, floor mats, anything. I always love it, and I appreciate them sponsoring my first mod for this car. I love OEM Plus stuff. I love protecting my investment, so I truly appreciate Lasfit partnering with me to make this video for you guys. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments. If you want floor mats for your Lexus, for your Tesla, for your whatever, check out their website. They have really good products, and they're pretty affordable too. And of course, you can use my code GRAY3IS to save money at checkout. But other than that, I truly appreciate you guys for supporting me. I wouldn't be able to partner with companies like this if it wasn't for y'all's support. So thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Mr. GRAY3IS, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Walking